So we're now here at the shops at Mandani Bay. Take a look at the linear park, like in the middle of the high rises. Very nice. There's an open space for everyone. And then there's a footbridge connecting this cluster to this main building over here. Ayan kayo, hapit na ma-complete ang footbridge. If I'm not mistaken, it's open air but could be close ka pa na siya, patakay ba. So a lot of these stalls are still empty but open na dito. I saw nanay Watson's and nanapo sa restaurant. So yeah, exciting times. Escalator over there, plenty of parking space. Nice kayo. Dito na dyan kay Tagkasuruyan, especially here sa Mandawi City. So Chanko Nabe, shabu-shabu, open na pa dahil. So muna siya, shabu-shabu restaurant. It's right next to Watson's dito sa corner. So dito nga side, it's another building. Ito yung laing mga developments over there, and then ano po yung laing mga access dito going to kanang CDU area over there. So pwede po ma-enter from there, dili na mamagi dito sa main gate. So muna ni ang Watson's operating na. Ulit kayo ang mga residents here, very convenient na, doon na kayo. So this pharmacy is very close po sa katong boardwalk. So from here, makita na natin dito ang boardwalk. Yan na dito ang katong first na restaurant yung nag-open yun nila. Yun doon, kalimot mo ko sa name. But, Etas, yes. So Etas is over there. Naputo rin Metro Gourmet, another department store. So very convenient po. Also, it's open to the public man siguro. So you don't have to be a resident here to be able to shop aning mga restaurants, shop at these stores and dine aning mga restaurants. So yeah. So they're gonna do kayo mga just to eat here. So they're gonna tayo mga options. Oh, Etas, na po yung mga kiosks over there selling potato corner, katong very affordable snacks, right? May lemonade, may thirsty, and sa po yung natin. And then may snow cafe over there, na Yukga. I think that's some Kipsalan, di ba? Na dito yung Akasha Grill. And tubanggi na siya dito sa Mactanchano. May poke bowls, diba? Yukga. Another shabu-shabu over here. This is the Metro store. Metro corner ang name. Nakatong very viral na croissant with ice cream, diba? Kanang LK wala siya, cafe. So very exciting na here sa Mandani Bay, and more to come in the coming months and years. So kani siya, lang ni siya ka strip na pa na siya sa other side. So na dito'y more restaurants. So very nice na here. Baka na dyan kasuluyan. So yeah, that's it.